How to do the perfect barbell skull crusher for maximum triceps growth. There's a secret trick I always use when performing skull crushers that makes it a staple exercise in my workout routine. Stick around to find out how this tip can take your tricep training to the next level. We'll cover everything from the muscles involved, the perfect form, common mistakes, tweaks for the best muscle growth, and how to properly go beyond failure. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to master the skull crusher. First up, let's talk muscles. Since the skull crusher positions the weight directly over your head, it primarily targets the long head of the triceps, which is the largest of the 3 tricep muscles and has the most impact on overall arm size. This exercise also works the other 2 heads of the triceps, the lateral head and medial head, to a lesser extent, making it one of the best movements for full triceps development. While the focus is on the triceps, your shoulders and forearms are also engaged to stabilize the weight, offering a well-rounded arm workout. Now let's move on to perfect form. Step 1. Setup. Start by sitting on a flat bench with the bar resting on your thighs, as close to your knees as possible. Grip the bar with your hands spaced about 2 thumb lengths apart, wrapping your thumbs securely over the bar. As you lie back, kick the bar up with your legs so it's positioned directly over your chest. Position your head slightly off the bench, plant your feet firmly on the ground, tuck your elbows in, and pull your chest up. Retract your shoulders back and down, almost as if you're scooping them under, and engage your core for perfect stability. By tensioning the lower body and the upper body and connecting those 2 points with the core, you will transfer energy like a spring, maximizing power and efficiency. This ensures that the force generated by your muscles is directed effectively through your body, enhancing strength and stability during the lift. You are now ready to lift. Step 2. Instead of lowering the bar straight to your forehead, shift the bar further back until it's just out of your field of vision. This adjustment provides better activation and stretch in your triceps. Inhale as you slowly lower the bar behind your head, keeping your forearms moving while your upper arm stays stable. But don't stop there. Once the bar is behind your head, continue lowering by moving your whole arms backward, creating a deep stretch in your triceps. This full lowering phase should take about 3 seconds. Step 3. After holding at the bottom for 1 second, exhale and press the bar back up by simultaneously moving both your forearms and upper arms. Fully extend your arms without locking your elbows. At the top, focus on squeezing your triceps hard to maximize muscle contraction. This upward phase should take about 1 second to complete. I recommend doing 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps using a moderately heavy weight. Perform this exercise toward the end of your workout to capitalize on your strength but also isolate the muscles properly. And there you have it, the perfect barbell skull crusher. Now, let's explore some common mistakes people make with the barbell skull crusher that can prevent you from maximizing your results. Mistake number 1. Using suicide grip. Using a suicide grip increases the risk of losing control and dropping the bar on your head. Instead, always wrap your thumb securely around the bar for better control and safety during the lift. Mistake number 2. Not bending your elbows. Only moving your whole arms without bending at the elbows turns the movement into a pullover, taking the focus off your triceps. Instead, make sure you're bending your forearms at the elbows, isolating the triceps and driving the movement with your triceps. Mistake number 3. Taking your glutes off the bench. Arching your back so much that your glutes lose contact with the bench indicates you're going too far. Instead, focus on maintaining a slight arch in your lower back, keeping your glutes in contact with the bench for stability. Mistake number 4. Moving the bar over your chest between reps. Bringing the bar back over your chest between reps reduces tension on the triceps and can turn the exercise into more of a chest press. Instead, keep the bar behind your head throughout the entire set to maintain tension on your triceps. Mistake number 5. Not controlling the eccentric. Letting gravity do the work on the way down limits muscle activation and growth. Instead, control the eccentric phase by slowing down and resisting the weight. This will increase time under tension, which is crucial for muscle development. Mistake number 6. Not retracting your shoulders. Failing to keep your shoulders back during the lift shifts the focus away from your triceps and increases shoulder strain. Instead, keep your shoulders retracted and down as if you're scooping them under. This creates a stable base and ensures triceps engagement. Mistake number 7. Not keeping your wrists straight. Letting your wrists bend backward or forward during the lift can lead to discomfort and injury. Instead, keep your wrists in a neutral, straight position to prevent strain and ensure proper force transfer through your triceps. Mistake number 8. Flaring the elbows. Letting your elbows flare out reduces tension on the triceps and shifts it to the shoulders. Instead, keep your elbows tucked in to ensure full triceps engagement. Mistake number 9. Doing them all at the same time. Which mistake do you think you've been making? Drop a comment below and let me know. Now that we've covered the common mistakes, let's look at a few key strategies to maximize muscle growth with the Barbell Skull Crusher. Number 1. Greater range of motion. Once the bar is behind your head, continue lowering by moving your entire arms backward, creating a deep stretch in the long head of the triceps. This extended range of motion leads to greater muscle activation. Number 2. Change the angle. To target different areas of the triceps, adjust the angle of your bench. Lowering the bench to a slight decline emphasizes the long head of the triceps more, while a more upright angle shifts the focus slightly to the lateral head. This variation allows you to hit different parts of the muscle for balanced development. Number 3. Experiment with different equipment. Skull crushers can be performed using a variety of equipment, each offering a unique feel and muscle activation. Whether it's an easy bar, dumbbells, or a wide grip, these variations can emphasize different parts of the triceps. Try each method to see which one works best for your body and allows for the greatest triceps activation. Number 4. Mind-muscle connection. Concentrate on feeling your triceps do the work. By focusing on feeling your triceps work through the entire range of motion, you can ensure you're getting the most out of each rep. To truly maximize muscle growth, pushing beyond failure in your final set can be incredibly effective. Just make sure to maintain proper form. Number 1. Using momentum. You can lift your body slightly off the ground and back down to help generate momentum to lift the bar back up. Then slowly lower it back down. This can help you get extra 2 to 3 reps. Number 2. Partial reps. When you can no longer complete a full rep, switch to partial reps. Lift the bar as high as you can, even if it's just 10% of the way up. This will keep your triceps under tension and continue engaging them even after hitting failure. Number 3. Drop sets. After reaching failure, reduce the weight by 20 to 30% and continue doing reps until you hit failure again. This method increases both volume and intensity, driving your muscles to their limit. Number 4. ISO holds. Hold the bar at the bottom position for as long as you can. This static hold creates tension in your triceps and promotes strength and endurance. And there you have it. Congratulations! You now know everything you need to know to master the Skull Crusher. Remember to enjoy the progress of learning and growing and embrace each step to becoming the best version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. Let me know in the comments what exercise you'd like to see next. Until next time, verið í sæl.